everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me today for another unboxing. I unbox style subscription services here. I do online shopping, clothing hauls, everything clothing. So if you enjoy that type of video, you're in the right place. Please be certain to subscribe and tap the bell so you won't miss out on any of the videos I upload. So today we have Stitch Fix, and Stitch Fix is probably my favorite box to receive. They are the granddaddy of all the style boxes, and they really do a good job at styling their customers. So I'm very excited to open this box. Look how big it is. This is a big one for our summertime, and I never peek to see what they are sending me. And the reason I don't is I enjoy the surprise element of these style boxes. Stylist has picked out 5 items and put them in this box and mailed them to me, and based on my style profile, she thinks that I will enjoy the items in this box. So let's see if she got it right. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix yet and would like more information about how it works or getting your own box, I have a link in the description box below. If you use my referral link, they do extend a little credit to me. Thank you to everyone that has used my Stitch Fix referral link. It's been awesome. Thank you very much. It helps me to purchase more of these clothes, and I love that, so thank you. You guys have really hooked me up. But at this time right now, they're running a promotion. So if you use my link, you not only get your first styling fee waived, you get $25 in credit that goes towards any purchase in your first box. So win-win. Let's open my box. This is what the box looks like. We have a bundle and we have paperwork. You can get gift cards for Stitch Fix. That would be an awesome gift. If anybody wants to get me a gift card would be great. We have a return mailer and we have all of our paperwork. Hey guys, everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is printed on the box. Isn't that cool? I like that. No confusion. Okay, big bundle. Ooh. Okay, we have some very interesting colors in this. I am a freak for colors. So this bundle looks awesome. Shall we read the note? If you guys have been following me, you know that my stylist went out on maternity leave. My last style box came from her, and this is my first box with a new stylist. Let's see what she says. She says, "Welcome to your fix. I looked over your updated notes, feedback, and requests before selecting today's new pieces for you to try. I see you're looking for some sleeveless summer items to enjoy." Oh, on my last request, I just said sleeveless summer. The climate where I live is so warm. I really don't need the long sleeve, bell sleeves, cardigans, stuff like that right now. So she says, "I've included a few different dress options." I'm not going to talk about that. She talks about the items in here, and then she ends by saying, "What do you think? Let me know. Enjoy, Marissa." Marissa is my stylist here. I really don't want to look at this. This bundle looks so cool. I want to be surprised by it. Let's open it. Okay, so on the top, ooh, this is so beautiful, is a dress, and this dress is by LEOTA. Okay, this is the LEOTA LULA jersey dress in red. This is a size medium. Okay, this is beautiful. This is a wrap dress, and this brand is known for their wrap dresses. So this is a brand out of New York, and I'm so excited to receive this because I've never tried their dresses, and they're like famous for their wrap dresses and for their bright, colorful pieces. But the first thing I noticed that really bugs me is it says it's made in China. And I wear lots of clothing that's made in China, but that's like one of their big selling points is that they're out of New York and they employ Americans to make their clothing. So I don't really get that LEOTA made in China, because that's a big USA company. But okay, let's talk about the dress. The dress is really pretty. Let's hope this isn't too low cut. The colors are a little bit dark. What do you think? Does that look good with my complexion? I am so excited to try this. The fabric it feels like a polyester blend, but that's another thing about the LEOTA brand is they talk about how this is really easy office to evening wear and great for travel. And you can see it's been packed and there's not a wrinkle in it. So I am really excited to try this. I have a feeling it's expensive. I have shopped this line when I look at New York designers, and I'm guessing this dress is about $150. We'll look at the prices last. You're seeing them on the screen, but I'm so excited to try that dress. And next we have Market and Spruce. Oh, it's another dress. Okay, this is a rust colored dress, and it has that split front, but it's a V, which I really like that. I think that V in the front is really attractive, and it has an embroidery detail right around the neckline. So that's kind of nice. We do have the cinched waist here, and I enjoy these. These are really nice, easy to wear, but they don't always look the best on me. They aren't always the most flattering. There is a bit of a band. Oh, and the band has actual embroidery. Can you see that around the bottom? That is beautiful, and it is embroidery. Very nice. Okay, yay, this one looks good as well. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. It's another dress. This is by Adorn. This is a really nice dress. The fabric feels awesome. Adorn Scarlet Scuba knit dress. They call this coral, but it's a black and white with coral accents is what I would say about it. And we have that open detail with some ribbon going down the front, but it looks like a bit of a V, which is usually a pretty attractive neckline for me. And then we have the bands around the arms, and it's pretty straight down dress, but we have another band at the bottom. So this one feels really nice. This dress, when I feel it, feels very much like a Calvin Klein dress. You guys know what I'm talking about, that thick fabric, but boy, is this soft. So I'm excited to try this one on as well. I love the colors in this one. This one is so light and springtime to me. Oh my gosh. Speaking of Calvin, here we go. Calvin Klein. This is a top. This is Calvin Klein Suit Separates Jennifer Pleat Detail Blouse in white. And there's a tag on it that says $59. And okay, so you see that pleat detail there. I don't know about this. So this is lovely. And I think this, like it says, it's a suit separate. And I think it would be a very nice shell to wear under a blazer to the office. But at first glance to me, this feels like office wear, which I am not in need of. There's kind of a bubble hem at the bottom there. And this is fully lined. So it's a nice blouse. I don't know if this is my thing. Oh, and I know this is not my thing. The last thing we have is white denims. These are a crop, and these are by Lila Ryan. These are the Kent Capri skinny jeans, and here they are. There's that cuff on the bottom. Is that stitched? Yeah, the cuff is stitched, and I have such a hard time with white denim, and these are a size 8, and normally I size up because every lump and bump shows. I don't know if I'll even try these on. Maybe I'll try them and see if they're fit for the camera, but it is truly very, very humbling and hard for me to model these white capris, but I'll try them and let you know. I'll try everything. Mess. I'm a mess after that try on. So I looked at the style cards, and everything that, all of the dresses she just asked me to pair with a denim jacket or a moto jacket, just different jackets to change up the look. And the only thing that kind of stood out to me was the Calvin Klein top. And there is a blazer here or a little bit more casual jacket here, depending on how you want to wear that. I'll tell you first off, my husband loved the Calvin Klein top and the Lila Ryan crop pants. So that surprised me. I didn't expect to really like either prices. I'll give you my thoughts on the items. Let's get them in order. The LEOTA Lulu jersey dress is only $88, and that price is really a pleasant surprise to me. I do think I had fit issues on this top. I am so disappointed because we had the wrap top. I love the way this dress feels on. It feels wonderful, but I had a little bit of issue with how to wear that wrap on the top. It just seemed awkward to me. If it looked better when I pulled it down, but it exposed more cleavage, and I don't know that I would be comfortable having to show that much cleavage at all. It's a dress that I would probably wear to church. So I do want to be a little bit more conservative when I'm in church, and sadly, I think this one has to go back, but there's so much about it that I enjoyed. I love the length on this one. I really like the price tag on this one. So next we have, the Market and Spruce dress. Isn't this dress great? So I enjoyed this dress. I think the details, the embroidery detail on this dress is great. This dress is only $74, and I think it's much cuter on than when I pulled it out of the box. I think this dress is going to be an addition to my closet. I think it's lovely on, and I really appreciate the detail on this dress. Next up is the Calvin Klein. They call it the suit separate. This is the shell, the Jennifer pleat detail blouse. This is $58, and my husband really likes this one, and I think it would be a versatile piece. It's well made. I just don't think I want it. It's not a piece that I am going to reach for. It's very pretty though. Next up, the Lila Ryan Kent Capri skinny jean in white. These are $98. They are too tight for me. They are very comfortable. I am surprised by how comfortable they are. I have not purchased Lila Ryan, so I don't know if that's a brand that is going to get a little looser with wear, because they are very tight around my bottom and thighs, and that makes me uncomfortable with white denim, but they felt really nice. If I was to wear those for an hour, my opinion might change, but for $98, I am not willing to experiment with the brand. And the last thing we have is this dress, the Adorn Scarlet Scuba knit dress in coral. This is $118. That's a fabulous price for the quality of this dress. This dress makes me feel pretty. I like the cut of this dress. I think that I would get a lot of use out of this dress. The seam on that bust line always concerns me. I have a larger bust, and I always feel like when there's a seam there that my breast should sit on top of the seam. Let me know what you think about that, because this is a contender. I would really like to keep this. I'm just not sure about the fit on it. The individual prices on each item are pretty good, but check it out. The total of my stylist picks comes to $436. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. My stylist must think I'm rich or something, and I'm not. The buy all discount is $109. So that would bring the total of this box, if I were to purchase all 5 pieces, to $327. So that's a decent price, I guess, for 3 dresses and a Calvin Klein top and a pair of jeans, but I'm not going to purchase everything. In fact, I look forward to your comments about what items you liked in this box, and you know what I like. Let me know if you think those are great items. The SCUBA dress and the Market and Spruce dress, I'm leaning towards purchasing those two, but your feedback always helps me to see these items in a different light. So thank you for your comments. I can't wait to have the conversation. This box is excellent. I think my stylist did a fabulous job. I'm sure she looked back at my previous purchases and she can see that I love to wear dresses. I purchase lots of dresses. All they have to do is fit right, and I can find an occasion to wear them. So thank you all for tuning in for another Stitch Fix video. I have lots of videos coming up all about clothing. Another one will be uploaded in 2 days, so please be on the lookout for that. Please give this video a thumbs up, help a girl out, and visit me again in 2 days. Until then, blessings to you.